Hi, Saluma Sichoma. This episode is titled What to Do When It Seems Like Nothing is Working. Sometimes you get to a phase in life where it feels like everything in your life just comes still. No moving forward, no moving backward. Just find yourself in a particular position where you feel like there is no progress. So, this episode is going to help you figure that phase out. Firstly, I want you to know that the fact that you're not seeing anything work does not mean nothing is working. That's the first one I would say. The fact that maybe you set out plans, said this is what you want to do, this is how you want your life to run. The fact that things are not going the way you planned it does not mean that nothing is working. God is still in charge of that case. God is still the one that is going to that know how your life would start and how it will end. So the fact that things are not going your way, your direction, does not mean that things are not working. Things are working. In fact, things that you're not saying that are working are even more than what you're saying. So that's the first thing I want you to do, that things are working, even if you can say it. Next, I want you to get clarity. Sometimes when life comes to it still, it might be like the universe telling you that, oh, this is time for you to find another tactics to change your system. So at that point in time, you need to sit and ask yourself that, okay, I tried this, it's not working. What do I need to do better? What steps do I need to do better? Or, yes, God said I should do this, right? But is there a better way to do it? Or is there another way I should do this? So just sit down and ask yourself this question that, okay, what else? Which other area should I take? What other spice should I add to the already cooking meal? So next, you find that out. The next thing I want you to do is to take action. To take action. But the fact that you feel like nothing is working, action might be like, for example, let's take a business. You are doing this business and it is not working, and it's obvious that it's like it's about to sink. Take action might be okay, and you are still very sure that that business is what you ought to be doing. Take action might be trying to reach out to people that are successful in that business to ask them that, oh, how were you able to circumvent this phase when you were going through this hard time? Or what did you do? Can even be taking action might be calling somebody in that same business. I believe you should have a community of people that are doing the same thing you are doing, right? Call that person and say, oh, sorry, this is the current challenge I'm going through. Have you gone through this phase? How did you go about it? And what other steps can I do to make this phase better? And trust me, you can find solution through that way. Another thing about it, that when you feel like things are not working for you, that can even be a waiting season for you. It can be an avenue where God is telling you, just wait and do nothing. Nothing like, I don't mean you're not going to be working, but God just wants you to stay. God is trying to show you something. God wants you to learn something in that particular phase. It's just a time where God wants you to just wait for Him, wait and listen, hear from Him. It can be a phase where God wants you to just wait here, take cover before you continue the journey. So before, as I round up this video, I just want you to be able to understand the various seasons of your life, to understand the season of your life, to understand what God is telling you to do, or what God wants you to know at that particular season of your life. So stay in it. But as you're staying in it, get clarity, find solution. Maybe you need to change your plan, or you need to change what you're currently doing. And next, if you've done all those things, it might just be that God just wants you to wait. God just wants you to wait. And waiting is not that bad. Or is it? But sometimes when waiting is overbearing, it can be so discouraging and frustrating. Life can feel like, oh, life is against you and the world is against you. But As long as it's God that wants you to wait, it's not a denial. But if that waiting is not of God, please find solution, pray, just do something else, find another business, and trust me, there'll be a way out. Just get clarity. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget that my book titled How to Fight Pornography and Masturbation Addiction will soon be ready. And once it's out, I'll absolutely let you know. And if you'd like to donate to my channel, please use the link in the description box below. And don't forget to watch this next episode. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you to all my subscribers. I see you. I love you. Thank you for believing in me. And thank you for the words of encouragement. I'll see you in another episode. Bye for now. Au revoir.